Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world that we belong? You know it's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight.